Today we're making your mom's recipe, jam diagonal. It's one of my favorite. It's very buttery. Look at how beautiful it is. Let's show you how to make these.
These, my wife is going to make. These are your favorite, right?
Yeah.
The ones you like.
It's called the jam diagonals. I like them. They're simple. Half a cup of melted butter.
You want to get it all out? Or
Yeah, I want to get all out. I don't like to waste stuff though. 1/4 cup of sugar. We already have it measured.
White sugar.
White sugar, yeah. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Teaspoon. Vanilla. I'll try not to overdo it.
That's good.
Okay.
So we just have to cream it. Wow, look at the sound it's making. Wow. Now we have to gradually add in the flour.
1 1/4 cups, right?
Yeah, 1 1/4 cup. So 1 cup. It says gradually add them in. How about that?
That's good.
You can help me.
Okay, here I'll add.
You can gradually add it for me and I'll just stir them. Add more.
So once you have a nice smooth consistency, then you can add more. Or just wait for your wife to tell you.
No.
That's the easy way. Just wait until your wife tells you what to do.
All right, add more because it's all mixed up.
All mixed up.
Add more.
And then we need 1/4 cup still.
Yep. Okay.
There you go. How does the dough feel? It's very dry, right?
It's dry. Kind of crumbly.
I've never actually made these.
I made it last time.
You made them last time, yeah.
But it's not that sticky, see? It's nice. See
Oh yeah, that looks nice.
I think it's all the butter. It's going to be very buttery. So I have to cut into 3 pieces. And then roll them into a strip.
3 equal pieces, right?
Yeah. I don't know if I'm doing a good job. No, this one's
You can
fatter.
weigh them.
Oh yeah, let's do that. All right?
Yeah, weigh
To be
them.
more precise.
Perfect.
Yeah, good enough.
So they're all about 122 grams. You don't need to use a scale. We just happen to have it right here.
Yeah, so we divide into 3
And then
3
what?
equal parts and then
Roll them into a
a
ball?
9-inch rope.
Oh, a 9-inch rope.
Yeah. Can you put some flour?
Yeah.
I can see the butter. It's a lot of butter. That's why it's good. It's very buttery.
Yeah.
And then you make a depression.
Basically butter and jelly, right?
Yeah.
So you're saying what?
Make it to a 9-inch rope. I made it one time. It was good.
Okay, this is kind of how nerdy we are, or I am. I just happen to have, I happen to have the measuring tape because we wanted to make sure we had the right size pan earlier, right? Mm-hmm. So you marry a nerd. That's what
The
you
rope
get.
are falling, crumbling.
It's
breaking.
crumbly, right? Because it's
How come yours is good and mine
mine's
is
perfect. 9 inches exactly. I won't tell you how I know this is 9 inches.
Oh, I can put it right. Oh, it's a little long. That's good.
It's good, right? Just make it a little more. I'll just make it a little more round, since you did marry a nerd.
Place 3-inch apart on a lightly greased cookie sheet, and then in your finger you make a depression like this.
Okay.
That's where you fill the jam.
So I have a cookie sheet. We already have the parchment paper. We have parchment paper from the last cookies, right? Mm-hmm. I guess we can put them this way, right? Pretty close.
Close enough, right? How did you make them smooth?
I rolled it. So we got to flatten them though, right?
Yeah, you make a with your finger. That's where you fill it with jam, and then you cut them
Okay. So I'll let you
3-inch apart.
show us.
Make a depression down. So this is where I'm gonna just do it with my finger.
Because you're going to fill the whole thing with jelly,
Make
right?
half an inch depression. Is that half an inch?
Yeah. So just go all the way down. You're going to make a canoe, basically.
This is good, right?
Yeah, make it, the deeper it is.
The more jelly.
I think I broke it, so let me fix it.
That's okay. This is good enough, right, Dan?
Yeah, that looks good. Yours is good. I broke mine into a bunch of pieces.
They're a little crumbly, so.
I mean, it's butter and flour, so. Butter and flour. It's the holidays.
We got lots of butter from Costco.
Yeah, we got a lot.
We can make more.
All right, so you're gonna need jelly, right?
So we have 2 types of jelly. This is a homemade currant. How do you say currant?
Currant?
Currant jam that a friend gave us, and then we're gonna put strawberry.
Then we just have your basic Schmucker's strawberry.
We have jelly too, but should we use grape jelly? The 3 different types.
Well, actually, we have 3 different pieces, though.
Yeah, should we
okay,
try it?
let's do it. Let's do it.
3 different types. We have currant, homemade currant, strawberry.
And we'll use the grape.
Yeah, here's a spoon. I'm going to start with a currant from Mila.
So Mila also showed us how to make some cheese bread.
We'll do that too.
I think we need to do
Cheese
a
bread.
video for that.
Russian cheese bread.
Leave a comment if you want to make some Russian cheese bread.
I like the jam because it's not very sweet. She didn't make it very sweet. Ooh, I dropped some.
That's okay. Don't worry about it.
So look at the color, how red it is. I think that's enough, right?
Yeah.
I'm afraid they'll spill over. Yeah, I like them. So I'm gonna put strawberry in this one.
I'm going to open the grape jelly for you. It's deeper.
Yeah, it's deeper, so you'll feel more jelly.
This is strawberry.
This is store-bought Smucker's strawberry.
It's all good.
I think it's good.
Yep.
Okay, brand new, what is it? Grape jelly.
Welch's.
Oh, this is very like a jelly.
This is the commercial product one here we got. You can tell the difference. The other ones have,
The homemade is very runny.
yeah, it's got a lot of chunks in it, right, from
Yeah.
the fruit.
Yep.
And then the other one is, it's
They
got,
probably had a lot of gelatin here.
yeah, this one is pretty much like probably sugar with grape flavoring,
Yeah, this is the
high fructose
Welch.
corn syrup.
Who knows?
It's
okay.
it's probably going to taste the best, but it's definitely the worst for you.
Look at it's exact like a jello, not even like a jam.
Modern food processing at its best right here, folks.
It's 350 for 12 to 15 minutes. Look at that, beautiful.
Looks nice, right?
Yeah, and then you just cut them into bar also. So the jam diagonals has been baking for about 18 minutes, and you know it's ready when it's slightly golden. See how you have some brown golden crust?
Yep.
That's how you know they're ready.
Definitely want to let these cool for like probably a half hour or more.
All right, this has been cooling for more than 30 minutes now. They're cool enough. So now I'm going to cut them into diagonal. That's what the name came from, jam diagonal.
Jam diagonal,
Diagonal,
right?
yeah, yeah. They just look nice. I want to cut them and put them in a plate so you can see what it looks like. These just look nice, cut up into a diagonal. The jam is stuck in some of the knife.
It's okay.
I guess I'd be better fast and swift, not be too scared. It's kind of remind me of butter cookies.
Right.
This one, I guess it is because it's got like half a cup of butter. This is the grape. You can't really tell the difference, but grape was more purple. I'm hitting the edge, so
They look good. Just like when I was a kid, I remember seeing these. Now these were not my favorite, just for the record.
I
Oh,
like
yeah,
them.
that
That's why I
plate's-
made them. But anyway, this is what they look like. I think I might need a bigger plate. I didn't realize it'll be.
We'll get a bigger plate. We'll plate them up.
Let me try a piece. Butter cookies.
You're good, right?
It's very good. It's so good. If I
right?
may say so, yeah.
Grandma will be happy to see you eating her cookies. All right.
I always like this at her house, so.
Now you definitely, I think the lesson we learned here was try and use like homemade. I mean, obviously if you can get homemade jam or jelly, that's the best.
This is a homemade. It
That
sticks
one,
very well.
right? What was it, currant or something?
Currant, yeah.
Yeah, those were really good.